everyone, I'm Ruby. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm introducing a compact but powerful machine called 1.7 Mini Excavator. This Mini Excavator is designed for tight spaces and demanding daily applications, whether for municipal work, landscaping, indoor demolition, or pipeline installation. It handles the job with ease. Now let's look at the engine. Let's open the door. It is powered by the Class 1.1 engine, delivering 15.7 kilowatts or 21 horsepower. It meets EPA Tier 4 final and EU Stage 5 emission standards, and it features low sensing hydraulics with a variable displacement piston pump. At 2,400 RPM, hydraulic flow reaches 66 liters per minute, and operating pressure goes up to 245 bar, providing smooth and precise control. It supports dual auxiliary hydraulic current kits, making it compatible with plumbers, augers, and other attachments. The 3-gallon 1.7 features a compact medium design with a tail sweep of only 650 mm, making it ideal for mobile job sites. And it also features an expandable undercarriage. Retracted weight is just 990 mm. Expanded weight reaches 1,300 mm, providing both access, flexibility, and improved stability. Maximum gradability is 30 degrees with 2-speed power for flexibility. Maximum power speed is 4.4 km per hour. Despite its compact size, its digging performance is impressive with a standard speed. Maximum depth reaches 2,315 mm, and with a long stick, it expands to 2,540 mm. Its bucket digging force reaches 16.2 kilotons, and ensuring strong performance even in cold ground conditions. Inside the operator station, adjustable vessel wrist and optional suspension seats help operators stay comfortable all day, and it includes a next generation LCD monitor, supports multiple languages, displaying the fuel level, content temperature, hours, and maintenance status with optional stick steer mode, allowing travel control with small stick. Reduce effort and improve productivity. Altered idle and altered engine shutdown features help reduce the fuel consumption. The machine is designed with lower operating costs in mind. When it's cost cheaper, it meets ROPS and TOPS protection standards. It includes a high visibility seat belt, LED work lights, and a hydraulic lock-on system, providing a safer job site experience. Overall, the Class 1.7 combines compact design, strong performance, smart control, and low operating costs into one efficient mini excavator. If you are looking for a machine that performs in tight spaces with lower power and consistent performance, this machine is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.